This is a super cool watermelon kit that Back to the Roots made. It's really good for like any types of teachers or parents, homeschool groups or anything. Anybody working with kids that wants to get them started and growing. Obviously STEM-oriented company here where they have this guarantee that I read on the side, 100% guaranteed to grow. And if you have any problems, reach out to them and you can talk to them about it. So I really love that. I love how it's a complete kit. I love how it has the biodegradable pot. So as the plants get big, you can just add more soil to it and then drop them into a bigger pot to transplant. And then the inside of this box is really cool because it has all of the instructions that you'll need throughout the grow phase. Right, so it has start here and then everything you need to do starting with day 1, days through 2 through 10, has different learning activities, moving. It's just a really cool set and they seem like a really cool company. So I think if you are doing any types of projects or really just want to get into growing, this is definitely a great way to go.